So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel which is Study with Amol. So today I am going to teach you the pronoun of. First, if you haven't seen the pronoun in, then click on the I button and you can see the video. So let's get started. The pronoun of, coming out of or from the. The pronoun of in this two places are there. First is replaces names of places, we will see, and second is pronoun the quantity. So we will see first replaces and names of places. Il vient de Paris. We have to again replace this the to en. So il en vient. Il vient. Before the verb, you have to use en before the verb. Second, l'enfant vient de l'école. Again, de l'école. Okay. We have to replace this de le to en. So L apostrophe enfant. En vient. Before the verb, en. Third statement. Il rendre des tâches unies. So what we will method il before the verb rendre en. Again we need to replace this de to en. Hope you are understanding. Fourth, les enfants sortent de la classe. Again we need to replace this dollar to en. So let's write les enfants. Again sortant. Sortant is a verb, sortir to leave. So en sortant. Before the verb write en. Now let's move on to pronoun the quantity. What we did first, replaces names of places. Now we are doing pronoun the quantity. In pronoun the quantity, which means quantity of something. The, du, the, la, del, de, which means sum of. So whenever in the sentences, du, the, la, de, du, whenever it comes, just replace du to en. For example, nous voulons du thé. We want some tea. We want the tea. So what we will answer? Nous. Again we need to replace this du to en. But what I said before the verb. So en voulons. It means we want some of it. Nous en voulons. Before the verb en. We want some of it. Second, to manger de la viande. Viande means meat. So again, we need to replace this dollar to en mange. To en mange before the verb en. Hope you are understanding this also. Third, elle a des pots. Again, they replace to en. Elle en. Now fourth, j'achète du rice. I buy some rice. What will I do? Je en achète. Because if we write je and en, vowel clashes, right? So J apostrophe en. J'en achète. Before the verb achète. Now let's see the last part. What we did, replaces names of places we did. Second, pronoun the quantity we did. Now last, expressions introduced by preposition the. First, s'occuper the, to engage or to deal with. handler the speak of, a verb is the to need of, and 4 venir the come from. So first ils vont parler de son enfance. Enfance means childhood. So what we'll do first, il. So whenever, now listen, whenever the infinitive verb and conjugated verbs are come to in these sentences, we just need to do il, va, on, parle. Before the infinitive verb, we need to write on. Okay, we need to write on. Remaining ils vont, write as it is. Then write on before the infinitive verb. Okay. Now let's move to second. Je me suis occupé de mon projet. So what we will do? Je. Okay. So M apostrophe en suis occupé. Because we need to again replace this de to en. So whenever reflexive verb comes in sentence, me, te, se, nous, vous, just write je, me, apostrophe en, because before the verb. Before the verb, you need to write suis. Okay, before the verb, you need to write en. So je me suis occupé de mon projet. Je m'en suis occupé. Before the verb en. In infinitive verb, in first sentence, whenever the infinitive verb is given and conjugated verb is given in one sentence, just write before the infinitive verb, and whenever the reflexive verbs are given in the sentences, just write before the conjugated verb and after the reflexive verb. So for example, me, change to for M apostrophe, te, T apostrophe, se apostrophe, S apostrophe. So last thought, le will, home, based on the little means glass. So what we'll do, le will, home. Again we need to replace this day to on. So yes, before the verb avoir, before the verb avoir, write on. So hey everyone, hope you understand this topic. If you haven't understand this topic, you can ask me on Instagram or otherwise in comment section. I'll reply on that. And second, follow me on Instagram for more new updates. Okay, thank you. Bye.